This is the view of the landscape that I'm seeing outside my apartment. One day before Christmas 2013. It's so good, huh? See the white. Let me get closer, dog. It's freezing rain caused these trees to destroy, and these are all white. On the other hand, the sun is shining on these trees and looking diamond style. So too good, huh? Over there is the Shoppers Wolverhampton, a big huge mall. Over there you can see Canadian Superstore. Let me zoom in. Target. Where there's the terminal. The airport is far away, and there are. Let me zoom in. Over those are the skyline of Toronto. It's not visible due to the today's weather, so it's far away. I can see from my apartment. And it's a very good day before Christmas. Merry Christmas, by the way, and thanks for watching.